Alrighty then, we're gonna run a replay and we're gonna see how the 15-minute runs ahead of the 1 minute. So we're coming along, we're making some shapes, we're making some fractals. Fractals, dude! We're making shapes. I don't know if we can match the shapes right now. At some point we're gonna realize that the $15 is actually gonna be ahead of the 1 minute. Would we be able to discern this? Well, so far these look matched. Oh, but then comes up like this. And let's look at the fractals. So now we're like matching like this to this, this to this, and here to passively here. That means then, well, this is not the best case, this is not the best example, but if we were able to match this to this, and then say these match over here, which would mean then this matches with that, which is a bit of a stretch because we got 3 things here. We really don't have 3 things here. And if we want to say this match with that, it's kind of a hard sell. But if we were able to match the shape, because look, it's starting to match up with the shape, that just means that then these decoupled a little bit. And then this is actually that. So we're missing this part here where there's some discrepancy here, some shape mismatch, some elasticity. And then this and that shape does kind of look alike. And then this will really kind of add to the notion that this shape is actually that shape, which means that this segment, we're expecting a down move. This is not a huge move, but it's just an example of how the 15-minute, as the 1 minute is printing, the 15-minute could actually be a roadmap as the 1 minute is filling in, as we just saw. And then especially this part where the shape possibly could be matched, then you got the lead. You got the lead because of the 15-minute. And then now they crossed over where the 1 minute is leading again here. So if we want to see that again, where this part after here, yeah, see, that's going to be a hard sell. Because what is this thing here? Because really, isn't this that? And so then really it's the 1 minute that's leading the 15 in this sense, where like the 1 minute roadmap is over here. Yeah, there's not a lot of clarity here. But if we match it this way, and we select the bar, and we go like this, and we see how that all comes in. Not saying these are the best matches, but let's just see coming in. Just trying to get some examples of where the 15-minute could be discerned as leading the 1 minute, and because then theoretically and actually the 3 hour could lead the 15, or 90 minutes could lead the 15. Oh, and this is not even the 15 minutes, this is the 8 minute. So that means like something like the 3 hour, 90 minutes could lead the 8 minute and stuff like that. So we'd really have to be matching the shapes if we're gonna catch the thing that I'm talking about, which is the 1 minute coming in and fill in what the 8 minute is showing. So here it comes. And then at this point, we really have to make a case that this is that, and this matches that, and therefore the 15 minute led the 8 minute led the 1 minute, and it portended this move right there. I'm not saying it would have been easy, but that's basically if we orienteered based on shapes, we could make a case that there was a point where the 8 minute led the 1 minute, and the 1 minute making this move was portended by the 8 minute.